Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about stress-free office English vocabulary for beginners with slow listening practice.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Emma, how are you today?
Hi, David. I am good. How are you?
I am good too. Do you feel relaxed today?
Yes, I feel calm today, but sometimes work can be stressful.
That is true. Many people feel nervous when they speak English at work.
Yes, especially beginners.
Today we will make office English simple and stress-free.
Slow and easy.
Exactly.
David, do you work in an office?
Yes, I do.
What do you like about office work?
I like working with a team.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like quiet work and planning.
Oh, really?
Yes, I like to organize my tasks.
That sounds interesting. Let's start with simple office words.
Good idea. Office. An office is a place where people work.
Desk.
A desk is the table where you sit and work.
Computer.
We use a computer to write emails and do work.
Manager.
A manager is your boss.
Meeting.
A meeting is when people talk about work together.
Task.
A task is something you need to do.
Deadline.
A deadline is the time when work must be finished.
That is very important.
Yes, deadlines can be stressful.
Let's practice simple office sentences.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
Are you busy?
I'm a little busy right now.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
That is simple and clear.
Yes, no difficult words.
Being polite is very important at work.
Yes, very important. Instead of saying what, say, sorry, can you repeat that?
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
Instead of I don't understand,
Say, sorry, I don't understand. Can you explain?
that sounds much better.
Yes, it sounds calm and professional.
Another one.
Okay.
Instead of no,
Say, I'm sorry, I can't right now.
that is true.
It feels softer and more polite.
Now let's talk about your job.
Okay.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails and attend meetings.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
You can say, I work in the marketing department.
Or I work in customer service.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many beginners can use it.
What if someone asks, what are you working on?
You can say, I'm working on a report.
Or I'm preparing a presentation.
Yes, very common at work.
If your manager asks about your task,
You can say, I'm working on it.
that is a great sentence.
Short and professional.
Sometimes there are problems at work.
Yes, that is true.
What do you say if you need more time?
I need a little more time.
Good.
Or can I finish this tomorrow?
That sounds polite.
Yes.
If you make a mistake,
You can say, I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
that is honest.
Yes, honesty is important.
Then you can say, I will fix it.
Very good sentence.
Now let's learn simple grammar.
Okay.
We use present simple for daily work.
For example, I work in an office.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I check my email every morning.
That is a useful sentence pattern.
Yes, it is very common.
Now let's talk about past tense.
Okay.
Regular verbs add ed.
Like worked.
Work becomes worked.
Yes.
Help becomes helped.
Correct.
Now an irregular verb, go.
Go becomes went.
Yesterday, I went to a meeting.
Very good example.
Another irregular verb, do.
Do becomes did.
Yesterday, I did my tasks.
That is true.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Okay.
Meeting,
Meeting.
manager,
Manager.
deadline,
Deadline.
department.
Department.
Very clear.
Yes, slow speaking helps.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes.
Do you work in an office?
Please write yes or no in the comments.
What time do you start work?
Write the time in the comments.
If you are enjoying this Calm English lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it really helps us.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting today.
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
I need more time.
I need more time.
I made a mistake.
I made a mistake.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Emma, today we learned stress-free office English.
Yes, and it was simple and calm.
Office English does not need to be difficult.
Just speak slowly and use polite phrases.
Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.